Welcome
to Munda Makeover.
We have traveled all over Zambia to find hardworking farmers.
We want to share their success stories.
And where there are challenges, we will bring experts to help them gain the extra knowledge they need,
so they can adapt and make their farms more productive even while the climate changes.
We want to support them to get better yields
and increase their income.
We will see how farmers from across the country can benefit from our experts' advice,
while also learning from each other in so many ways.
Join us on these journeys and share in the farmers' experiences as they improve their farms.
On
Munda Makeover. I love a good meal. Balanced, nutritious with proteins, starch, and vitamins. I know you do too. Guess what? So do your chickens. That's what will give you big beds with good weight. Tired. That was a long walk to freedom. Not that I'm a bad farmer, but eish, you have a lot going on. Very big space. Yes. Tell me more about it.
Yeah, as you can see, my farm is very big. I grow sunflower, maize, tomatoes, groundnuts, even rape, cabbage, onion, everything is here in my farm. Chicken are going bit, but not so bad, but a bit.
No.
They are not growing well.
Yes. But you know what? This is why I'm here. Okay. I have someone I want you to meet. The solution to the bits. So that we do the more. Are you ready?
Yes, madam.
Are you sure you're ready?
I'm ready.
High five.
Yeah.
Let's meet the person. Huh?
Okay. Thank you.
Lizzie has many enterprises on the farm that seem to be doing well. One that seems to be struggling is her chickens. That is why we have Mr. Mambwe from Land O'Lakes Ventures 37 working with the International Livestock Research Institute here to see what the challenge is and how we can help.
Well, Mami Lizzie, like I said, yes, you're meeting someone very special. Solution to the bit. Man of the moment, Mr. Mambwe. Yeah, welcome. Please introduce yourself to Mam Liz here.
Thank you, Vakat, and thank you to meet the farmer. My name is Joaquim Mambwe.
Right.
I'm a poultry promotion specialist.
We are welcome. Nice to meet you.
Pleasure is mine.
Yes.
Okay. Yeah, so I was having a conversation with her, and I know you've done your own surveys and the like, and you've seen a few things here and there. But according to her, she's having some challenges with the chickens. Maybe Mami Liz, share with him.
Okay. My number of chickens is 32, but some are not growing well. Some are growing well. Then some are not putting eggs. Yes.
Okay. Yeah, quite a big challenge, madam. What feed do you give your birds?
I give gaga, what we say number 3 meal. Yes.
Okay.
Sometimes I give vegetables if I have them at my food. Yes.
Okay. Is that a problem?
Yes, that's where the problem is, Vakecha.
Okay.
The birds, they need a balanced diet or a proper feed. And the proper feed, it should be feed that will provide all the 4 nutrients, the carbohydrates, the proteins, the minerals, and vitamins. So to solve that problem, madam, you need to use local available materials. You should mix number 3 meal with some sunflower cake meal, and also you can also add salt, and also you can add DCP. In case you can't afford to buy DCP, you can also use a local available material, which is moringa, to add to that feed. Then you can also give your birds the vegetables, the suckers, and also tomatoes. So when you give them vegetables, chopped vegetables and tomatoes, these two provide the minerals and the vitamins to the beds. When you add sunflower cake, it will provide the proteins which the beds needs. And number 3 meal will provide the carbohydrates which the beds need. So when you give that to the beds, then that problem will go because they'll be having a balanced meal on a daily basis. And the growth rate will improve, the egg production will also improve.
Wow.
Our expert showed Farmer Lizzie how to make simple feed to help our chickens grow big and stronger and lay more eggs. To make your own feed, you will need number 3 meal or gaga, sunflower cake, iodized salt, and DCP or dried moringa. Make sure you mix everything very well. You can also feed your chickens leftovers, vegetables such as tomatoes and Chinese, chili, and these add vitamins and save you money. Feed your chickens regularly to ensure they grow healthy and strong. Keep an eye on your chickens. If they look too thin or too fat, adjust the feed. Homemade feed keeps chickens healthy and cuts costs, boosting your business and bringing your income into your home.
Okay, Mami Liz, what have you learned?
Carbohydrates, proteins,
Wow.
vitamins, minerals.
She's a power woman.
Yes.
Wonderful, wonderful.
High five.
Give me 5.
Yes.
Give me 5.
I'm impressed. Are you impressed?
Very much. Very much
Mami
impressed.
Liz, I wish you
Very
all the
much.
best.
Thank you,
Yeah?
thank you, thank you.
Well, on that note, we will see you next time on another episode of
Down.
For more information on improved feeded chickens, please contact Dr. Nyirongo from Land O'Lakes Venture 37 on 0977 679072 or Dr. Pele from International Livestock Research Institute on 0972 864071.
Dear farmer, do you want more information and farming tips for your location? Join iMunda, a mobile information service platform with farming experts. To sign up, SMS the words MU join to the number 384.